This is 3 shirts and 3 shorts. No, I don't think so. What I've done is to incorporate the Yogi Method. This is to take your clothes and you roll them up. I only take one carry-on. So instead of 3 and 3, this is 8 shorts and 8 shirts. I use the same method on the other side with my pants and underwear, of course, my shoulder bag and my lucky hat, which I bring with me on every trip, external hard drive, and all of the cables and chargers and an unlocked phone off of Amazon, and I can turn this on when we get to Bangkok